Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best car amp install kit is probably one of the most crucial components for achieving that powerful, immersive sound system you've been dreaming of in your vehicle, transforming your daily commute into a concert-like experience. But with so many options available, how do you ensure you're selecting the kit that will not only deliver optimal performance but also guarantee a safe and reliable installation, making it essential to understand the key factors that differentiate a mediocre setup from a truly exceptional one that will elevate your audio game. Number 5. Boss Audio Systems KIT2 8-Gauge Complete Car Amplifier Installation Wiring Kit. This is a complete 8-gauge wiring kit designed for car audio amplifier installation. It includes everything you need to customize your car's audio upgrade, featuring wire ties and rubber grommets for a clean setup. It comes with a 20-foot, 8-gauge red power cable and a high-quality fuse holder. These sturdy cables ensure reliable power delivery for your amplifier's car audio sound system. You'll find a 16-foot, 18-gauge blue turn-on wire and 30 feet of 16-gauge speaker wire. These are reliable power wires perfect for installation behind your car audio stereo setup. This kit includes a 20-foot high-performance RCA interconnect and 6 feet of split loom tubing. They are essential for transmitting clear audio signals as part of the complete wiring solution. The kit also contains 20 wire ties and 3 rubber grommets. These accessories are ideal for proper wire management, keeping your wires organized and secure. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a complete 8-gauge amplifier installation. It includes power, ground, turn-on, and speaker wires, along with a durable RCA interconnect for clear signal transmission. If you're looking for a comprehensive and straightforward solution for your car audio upgrade, this is a solid choice. What people say. This kit proved to be exactly what I needed for a seamless and efficient installation process. The quality of the cables in this kit is impressive. They are thick, durable, and well insulated, which is crucial for any car audio setup. The kit came with everything required for a standard amp installation, including power and ground cables, a fuse holder, and an RCA interconnect. Number 4. JOREST 300 PCS Automotive Fuse Assortment Kit. This kit provides a wide range of fuses, including micro, mini, and standard sizes, covering 11 different current specifications. It's designed to meet all your automotive fuse needs. We've increased the quantity of the most frequently used fuses, like 10A, 15A, 20A, and 25A. This ensures you have plenty of backups for your vehicle. Constructed from eco-friendly plastic and zinc alloy, these fuses are built to last. They are suitable for a broad spectrum of vehicles, including cars, RVs, trucks, and boats. Each fuse is clearly color-coded and marked with its current specification on top. This makes it incredibly easy to find the exact fuse you need, saving you time and hassle. For your convenience, this kit comes with installation instructions. These guides will help you correctly replace and install your fuses, ensuring proper function. With 300 fuses and a handy puller included, this assortment is your go-to solution for automotive fuse replacements. Keep your vehicle running smoothly with this essential kit. What we like. This is a massive assortment of fuses, covering mini, standard, and micro blade types with a wide range of amperage ratings. It's designed to be a backup for almost any vehicle, making it incredibly convenient. If you frequently work on different vehicles or want peace of mind knowing you have the right fuse on hand, this kit is essential. What people say. I also like this set because it includes different fuse sizes. Great assortment of fuses for all of your automotive needs. Muy completo, lo solicite porque no encontraba repuesto de fusible medio, esta caja además de la pinza para retirar el fusible tiene de todas las medidas de fusible, mini, medio y grande. Number 3. TOPSTRONGGEAR 4GA Amp Kit. Elevate your car's audio experience with this comprehensive amplifier wiring kit. It provides everything you need to connect your subwoofers and speakers for superior sound. Featuring 17 feet of ultra-flexible 4-gauge red power wire and 3 feet of black ground wire. Both are constructed from durable copper-clad aluminum for reliable performance. Experience pristine audio quality with the included 18 feet of 16-gauge speaker wire and an 18-gauge blue remote turn-on wire. These ensure your sound is delivered without compromise. This kit includes a 17-foot black basic RCA cable, crafted from oxygen-free copper. It guarantees a clean and interference-free signal path for your audio. Protect your system with the heat-tested, water-resistant inline fuse holder and an 80-amp ANL fuse. Installation is straightforward and secure. All necessary connecting terminals and accessories are included, making this a complete amplifier installation kit. Get ready for a powerful sound upgrade. What we like. This 4-gauge amplifier wiring kit is designed for those who need robust power delivery for their car subwoofers and audio systems. It features ultra-flexible copper-clad aluminum, CCA, power and ground wires, along with an oxygen-free copper, OFC, RCA cable for clean signal. If you're building a powerful sound system and need reliable, high-quality wiring to handle the demands, this kit is a great option. What people say. The cables are thick and tough, the sound quality once installed is great, and is extremely durable even in tight, vibrating, sharp spaces. Still works well after like 5 years. The Civic of wiring kits, super reliable and well worth your money just for the durability. The size is perfect for any car audio installation and the connection quality has not let me down. Makes installing electrical gear safe, fast and reliable. Number 2. Scosche CR1291B Double DIN Radio Install Dash Kit. Upgrade your car's audio system with ease. This dash kit is designed for a perfect fit in select Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Mitsubishi, and VW vehicles from 2007 to 2019. Please check the fit guide to ensure compatibility. Give your car's interior a sleek, factory-installed look. This kit seamlessly blends your aftermarket stereo with your vehicle's dashboard for a clean and professional appearance. Installing your new stereo has never been easier. It comes with all the necessary hardware and detailed instructions, so you can complete the installation yourself without needing professional help or special tools. This kit is designed to fit true double-DIN stereos with specific faceplate dimensions. Minor adjustments may be needed for some oversized radios, ensuring a versatile fit for your audio needs. Constructed with high-quality materials, it's built to securely hold your stereo and withstand daily use. You can rely on its durable design for long-lasting performance. As a product from a trusted brand known for quality car audio solutions, this dash kit comes with a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. You can be confident in its performance and reliability. What we like. This dash kit is engineered for a perfect fit in select Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Mitsubishi, and VW vehicles from 2007 to 2019. It ensures your aftermarket double-DIN stereo looks like it came straight from the factory. If you own one of these compatible vehicles and want a clean, professional installation for your new car stereo without hassle, this kit is the way to go. What people say. The mounting kit fit like the pictures. Mine looked great, and when you place your mounting screws looks good. If you have gaps at the sides of your double DIN, you need this kit. Fits Dodge Grand Caravan, pick of it installed. Other than that, fit perfectly like stock if not better. Tamino Justo, muy fácil de instalar al stereo, lo puedo perfecto a mi Jeep Commander. Number 1. TOPSTRONGGEAR 8-gauge amp kit. Introducing the TOPSTRONGGEAR 8-gauge amp kit, your all-in-one solution for powerful car audio. This kit provides everything you need to install your amplifier and subwoofer with ease. It includes a 20-foot power cable, a 3-foot ground wire, and 20 feet of speaker wire, ensuring a seamless setup for your car, truck, or marine stereo systems. Experience superior sound with the included 17-foot twisted RCA cable and a 17-foot remote turn-on wire. These high-quality components ensure optimal signal transfer. Safety is paramount with the inline fuse holder and 60-amp fuse, providing reliable protection for your audio system. It's competition heated tested for your peace of mind. The kit comes with all necessary terminals and wire ties for secure and straightforward connections. Get ready to elevate your listening experience. What we like. This 8-gauge amplifier wiring kit offers a good balance of performance and value for car, truck, and marine stereo systems. It includes soft-touch CCA wiring for power and speaker, plus a twisted OFC RCA cable for reduced interference. If you're setting up a solid audio system and need a reliable, all-in-one kit that's easy to work with, this is an excellent choice for a wide range of applications. What people say. The diameter of the wire with insulation is 6.4 mm, insulation on one side is 1.2 mm. Thus, the diameter of the central wire is 4 mm. The power wire bends easily. The wire cover shielding is of higher quality than expected. Works great, no interference, clear sound. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.